What's up, y'all? In this video, what I have here today is a snorkel set by the company called Airobots. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what you get with this package here, and then I'm gonna go out on the water. You know, I am out here on the lake, so I'm gonna go out here and put it to the actual test. Enjoy the wonders of your new product. How cute is that? This snorkel set is the model TS004 and TS005. Yeah, and the color on this is, so there's a green and there's a white. I have the color white, very nicely packaged down in here. I always like it when a company, oh wow, that actually feels really good quality. Let me look at that. That silicone feels really nice right there. Then you have the snorkel itself. Oh, I didn't know you had a bag with it. It looks like you get a little set of instructions, but you know what? All these set of instructions gives you some basic kind of precautions. Don't clean it with like harsh chemicals. Keep it out of direct sunlight. Wash it after every use. Yeah, basic stuff. It's a snorkel set. How much instruction do you need on a snorkel set? You got a mouth hole? Yeah, breathe through it. Oh, I like how flexible that is. Very nice and flexible there. And it has the shut-off valve on it, so when you dive under, that valve closes up. And then to put this on there, you really just kind of like knife it right through there like that. So there we go. We're all set. Yeah, and to adjust it, you just basically pull on that right there, and that adjusts it up, then you move that back. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the Autobots snorkel set. Let me get on the water and test this out. I'll cut over to some footage of swimming around with this thing and show y'all exactly how this thing works. So let's do that now.